Today I'll show you a very easy strategy to get paid online. You can simply leave likes on social media posts, which is something that we already do online, and get paid in PayPal money. You can join for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world, so if you're interested, make sure to keep watching until the end of this video, since I'll also show you how to maximize the results. Just before we start though, let me remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any question or opinion about this video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. Your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today, which is going to be this one here. First of all, I want to show you payment proof that this actually works. You're going to see here people from all around the world getting paid through PayPal. They are getting paid a couple of dollars here and there, but you can get paid even more if you put the right effort into this, and also if you follow every step from this video. So if you scroll down, you're going to notice that they have a lot of pages with payment proof. This is just one out of 75 pages, which shows that this is a legit platform. So the platform in question is called Likesplanet, and it's over at likesplanet.com. People come here in order to get high quality likes from the whole planet, or you can even just be the person that is going to give those likes, and today we are going to do so in order to get paid. So if you scroll down, you can see how it works for you. You can just sign up for absolutely free. You can like pages and cash out earnings, or you can even use those points to get some likes for your post. So you're going to get paid in PayPal money. They offer you fast payments and also $2 minimum cash out. So once you reach $2 in your account, you'll be able to just get your money. So you can go over to payment proof section down here, so you can see the first page that I showed you at the beginning of this video. In order to get started, all you need to do is to click on the register button up here. In the next page, you're going to put a username, an email address, also repeat the email address, put a password, repeat the password. You can leave the referral box empty because you haven't been referred by anyone. Put the captcha number over here and then click on the register button. As you're going to see, they are going to send you an activation code on your email address, so be sure to check out your inbox in order to get that code and you'll be able to log in. Once you log in, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard. You're going to see your points that you can of course accumulate. Also, you're going to see that they offer you a referral program. You can earn 50% points of your referrals plus 100 points per active referral plus 0.1 point per referral link visit. So even if people click on your link, you're still going to get paid, which is pretty awesome actually. And also you can maximize the results with their referral program because you can go over to some forums and find people that want to make money online. You can refer them over to Likesplanet, and then you're going to get paid in passive income and maximize your results. So you can just scroll down to see some other features that they offer, but I want to mention that you can even get some daily bonus points. So you have 200 points if you just log in every day. Also, you can go over to the cash out section in order to cash out your earnings. We are going to see that in a minute. You can also earn points / money, which is going to be our main focus on today. As you can see, you can earn points by liking some Facebook pages or liking some Facebook posts. Also, if you follow them over there, you have YouTube. Also, you can like video, dislike video, play videos, and channel subscribers. You have Instagram. You can like Instagram photos and also follow people on Instagram and so on. So today we are going to focus on just one particular platform. Just to show you an example, you need to go over to your YouTube section and you can click on video likes, so you can get paid by just liking YouTube videos. So click on once again on video likes. It's going to take you over on this page over here. You're going to see that you're going to just like one of these videos, wait for 4 seconds, refresh video page, and then close. For example, I'm going to click on one of them just to show you an example. Just click on the like button over here. It's going to take you over to the YouTube video, and after that you can just like this YouTube video and you're going to get paid for that. So you can do the same thing with all of the other videos as well. You're going to come back, close that window, and then you're going to just accumulate your points. As you can see, 4 points are added to my balance. You can do the same thing with the other videos as well. You can even load more pages, so you can never run out of videos to likes, and this means that it depends on you and how much time and effort you are going to put on this strategy to get the desired results. Also, I highly recommend that you focus even on the other social media platforms as well in order to make the most money. And as you can see, they even offer some daily contests for you to make even more points and redeem those points for money. Speaking of that, you can go over to the cash out section over here in order to be able to cash out. So you're going to select the amount that you want. Also, you need to reach $2 in your account first in order to be able to cash out. And after that, you're going to put your payment address over here, which is going to be your PayPal address, because as you can see, they only pay you through PayPal, and also you're going to get paid from 1 up to 10 days. So you can even wait like 10 days in order to get paid, and click on the request cash out button over here in order to get your money. So it's easy like that. You can do a lot of things over here. As I showed you before, you can even come and explore it on your own and to see how easy it is to just get paid by giving some likes online. So as I said before, I'm also going to give you on another platform which is going to be a bonus, because I want you to maximize the results. You can even combine this one with the other platform as well in order to make the most money. And the platform in question is called Zoombuck. This is over at zoombuck.com. You're going to notice that you can earn cash by completing surveys, watching TV, and doing offers. So you can join for absolutely free by putting an email address over here, a password, confirm the password, click on the sign up now button, or you can even sign up automatically with Facebook account or Google account, because it is a lot faster and a lot easier since it just requires one click of a button. Let's see how it works. So there are some advertisers that want engagement for their surveys, products and services, so they come over here to ask for help from Zoombuck. They are going to pay Zoombuck to find some people that are willing to do those various actions. So Zoombuck is going to recruit members, and you are going to be the one that is going to do those online activities like taking surveys, completing offers, watching videos, the ones that we saw before. And you're going to get paid with cash but also gift cards. You're going to notice over here that they offer a lot of rewards. You can even click on see all rewards to see that you have a lot of gift cards and also payment methods that you can choose. Down here you have the live feed. You're going to see people getting paid in real time, for people from Brazil, from India, from Italy and so on, getting paid again and again through their preferred payment method. So if you scroll down, you can also see that they have some reviews over at Trustpilot. Just click on it, and you're going to notice over here that they got like more than 500 of reviews with 4.7 stars. So most of the people have rated this platform as excellent, as you can see down here. So this is a legit platform that is going to get you paid. You can just start for absolutely free by putting your information up here. As I said before, you can even combine Zoombuck with the other platform that I showed you today, which was likesplanet.com, in order for you to make the most money. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think about this strategy, and also don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next tutorial.